doctor of the night sky, knighted by the noise. Now watch the floor move! They draw the world in one straight line. I draw it with a kick and spine, laughing at the limits, breaking the frame. Truth hits harder when you call it a game. No polish, no plastic, no pretty disguise. This lungs like engine fire in the eyes. If you found this track and stayed right here, you've got taste, now weaponize the fear. No maps, no lies. We spin this earth with our size. Raise that bass, make gravity blast. Shake the room, make it go round. Thick thighs, hit like sound. No auto-tune, no borrowed glow, just a thunder breath and a down low blow. Bass like chain, rip it loose. Drums like hammers, no excuse. You feel that pull if you want that hit. Circle pit, circle pit. A gentleman mind with a right heart. Science in the fingers, chaos in the eye. They said don't sing that, they'll move that way. We made a chorus out of anyway. Body's not a punchline, it's a battle hymn. We lift each other when the lights go dim. No shame in the shape, no cage for the skin. We're built to survive, so let it begin. They doubt, we laugh, they flat, we crash. Turn that ridicule into impact. Count the stars, count the scars. Now make the whole world jump. Headbang, mosh, dive, repeat. Let the low end rewrite your heartbeat. Shake the room, make it go out. Thick thighs, hit like sound. No auto-tune, no bar won't glow. We're the kind of loud that never gets old. Bassline chain, rip it loose. Drums like hammers, no excuse. If you feel that pull, if you want that hit. Circle pit, circle pit. Not a joke, a law of motion.